Where are the eggs? Good job! That's a good girl. What is that? What's in here? Oh, look.
There's another one.
Good girl.
Good job. Okay, where's more? Is there
Find more eggs.
Where's more?
You already found these. These are empty. Find the other eggs.
Break them open and show them.
Find the other eggs.
There's
Good
one.
girl.
All right. Good job. Okay, where's more? Is there more? No, that's not one. Where's more? Good. Where's more? There's more. Over there. Over there.
Look for your eggs.
Good job. All right. Where's
Find
the
the
eggs?
eggs. Over there? Find the eggs over there?
That way. Good job.
Good girl. Over there.
There it is.
Good girl.
Alright. Let's break this one open. There you go. Yeah.
Good job.
What's that? What's that? Let's open it. Yeah. Wow.
What are those?
Look at that. It's candy. Watch this.
Try it. That's nummy. That's nummy hands.
That's a bunny. That's a bunny.
Is that delicious?
Got bite hard.
Shake. Shake it.
Shake. Whoa. Okay. Yum. Go.